Hi guys, if you're stuck with music production, don't get frustrated because you have probably made the same genre for a long time now. Like I was stuck with music production, but I tried to make something new. So let's go to FL Studio and I will show you how did I make some Stutter house. So before we start to go through these elements from this track, you can go and check this track somewhere from here. I will put the link. And now we can go and check the elements. So I started the track with this pad. It's in D sharp minor and the third notes are raised an octave. Then I have this bass line that follows the chords. Then I have this vocal pad that I downloaded from Splice and it has some effects on it, but I will not go through them now. This is just a walkthrough how to make some stutter house. And then I have some cymbals here. This is just a reversed cymbal. Then many impacts and cymbals all together after 8 bars and the percussion begin. I made the percussion here straight to the playlist. You can make it to the pattern, but it's easier for me to see it better when it's straight on the playlist. It has some hats, some claps, some toms, some shakers, some bongos, and of course the vocal loop and a riser here. And then there's also this ARP, which is super low in the background that you can basically hear it to make some texture to a track. This continues for 6 bars, and after 6 bars I've cutted everything else except the vocals that I chopped a little bit and automated the volume and the pitch to make this cool riser effect. Then the drop begins. And the only thing basically what I add here in the drop to make it more interesting is the kick that I made with Geon kick. Then I chopped up more of the vocals and I automated the volume to make it stutter. After 4 bars I pitched up the vocal compared to this one. Then I have some snare loops just before it switches up again to the main loop. After this 32 bar loop comes like a more quieter moment in the track to gather up the energy again for another drop. In this part there is only the shaker loop and the tom loop, and I automated the EQ so it cut the highs and leaves more of the lows, so it sounds like it's more underwater and in the background. I have this children playground noise in the background to make it more alive. It's pretty quiet, you can't basically hear it if you just have a super hearing or something, but it adds something to the track. Then I have also this vocal because it continues the whole track. After 8 bars there comes the percussions and the drums, but it's not like 4x4 kick, it's like a drum and bass kick, like I've automated the EQ to bring it alive from the background. And yeah, I forgot to mention, the bass is not the same. It uses this bass that I made with Serum, and it goes like every beat. But it follows still the same pattern. I've also made this other pad that I called Hardstyle, and it's just a little bit variation to the first chord progression that I made earlier. Then the second drop comes and there's nothing else new but the hardstyle chords and an added shaker loop and some cymbals. And it sounds like this. And I have some glass break effects like in the end of the bars. So the track continues pretty much the same, and if you want to see more of the sound design and the effects chain, comment about it. I will make a video about it. So thank you for watching, see you guys next time.